Hello, my name is Larry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me start off with saying I appreciate y'all stopping in and checking out the video. Hope we offered some information that'll be helpful to you, and we'd like it if you'd hit the like and subscribe button. It's been about 4 or 5 months since we put any videos out. We've had some issues out here on the homestead. We had some bad weather come through months back and tore up some buildings, so we had a lot of work to do. So we're about 4 or 5 months out from putting 4 or 5 months out there from putting any videos out. What we're doing today is we're taking a little Echo GT200R that we picked up at a garage sale for $15, and lady said it didn't run. I got it back home, put a primer bulb on it, pulled it 2 times, it started right up. Now the other one, just for reference, it's an Echo also. It's actually a SRM225. Now we're not working on that one. I'm just using that for video purposes. We're taking an actual string trimmer and I'm converting it over to a blade. We got Yopon out here, a lot of stuff out in the woods around the trees we're trying to clean up, and the weed eater, string weed eater, just does not work. So I needed to adapt something to this, and this is what I did. I'm actually using some 7 3/4 inch skill saw blades. These are used, came off my saws. I decided to repurpose them or use them for something else, and they work really well for this application that we're working on right now. Now this blade here is 10 and a half or something like that. I purchased 2 of them on eBay for 20 bucks, and they work okay, but the weed eater is just too small. The 200R is just a small weed eater. It might work a little better on the other one, but either way you look at it, the blade's just really too big, but it will work. You just got to baby it a little bit, and you got to run it about half throttle versus running a small blade at a 1/4 throttle or less, unless you're cutting some real heavy stuff. To make these work, what I did was I had to machine an adapter, like you see right here. Oops. This actually fits the shaft on the weed eater and centers it there. Now I had to make another one on this one over here, and I did not have a nut, so I used the nut that was in the actual string trimmer part of the weed eater, and it does protrude out there a little bit, but that doesn't have any effect on the way it cuts. Safety, safety, safety. This should have been the first part of the video. There is no guard on this. Now if you plan on doing one of these, put a guard on it before you use it. It needs to be, you know, kept from slinging back and hitting you on the foot. It will have some kickback, but I've never had one even get close to me, so safety is important. Put a guard on it. This video is just to show you how I did it and show you how it actually operates when I'm using it. Again, bigger blade needs a bigger adapter. I think it's a 1-inch hole. And how I machined them was on a lathe, and I'll get you a shot of that here shortly. But give me a couple of minutes here and we'll run this thing out to the woods and do some cutting. I came over here to my old trusty lathe and I found a piece of stock. This is the size right here, and I went ahead and machined me the little bushing or adapter off the end of this, as you've seen in the picture, to actually make it work on the weed eater head section. One of the new videos we're going to be putting out pretty soon is a Baker Industries recovery tracks. We had these sent to us from a company here in the US, and they want us to actually do a video on these, and it should be pretty interesting. They go underneath your tires when you're stuck in sand or mud and helps you get the vehicle unstuck. So, you know, after this video goes live, in the next couple of weeks we'll be shooting the unboxing of these and showing you what they are and how they work, and then we'll actually try to get the truck stuck in a mud hole somewhere and see if they actually do the job. So hit the like and subscribe button for our future videos as we continue with this video. Thanks for watching so far.
Start.
Alright guys, we got the big blade on here. Now we're going to try to run through some of this stuff over here to give you an idea of how it cuts. Like I said, the bigger blade's going to rob the motor a little bit of horsepower versus a small blade. Safety, safety, safety. I don't have a guard on it, remember that. But I'll show you what it's going to do. Yeah, we'll get started. So guys, that'll give you some idea of how that thing actually works. You see how it cleaned all this out real well. I've cut some stuff up to 2 inches thick with it. This old blade now has got about a month run time on it. So as you see, it's a good way to convert it over to clean up some of this old heavy brush, especially yopon around trees and stuff like that. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.